Welcome back to my kitchen. Okay, I spent a little bit too much time in my head this morning, so I needed to get out of that space and put my energy somewhere else. So I thought, you know what? What would be better than that is directing this energy that I have in making an apple cake. I got some apples on hand. Why not? Let's do it. Let's go for it. It's a lot better than spending time in my head and reminiscing and worrying and trying to change the issue, change the outcome. Is not going to change. I'm just thinking of different ways of doing something, hoping that I'm going to get a change. But, okay, you know what? Yeah, that's my codependent coming out in me. Okay, we're going to make an easy apple cake. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to start off with pudding. Where's my recipe here? Okay, we preheated at the oven at 350, okay? In the large bowl, we're going to beat the sugar, the oil, the eggs, and the vanilla. So we've got 3 eggs. I'm going to put in 3 eggs. Make sure you just put the egg and not the shell. Okay, 3 eggs. Then we got, I already measured it out, 1 3/4 cups of sugar. Okay, 1 cup of the oil, vegetable oil. Vanilla, 1 teaspoon. A spoonful of laughter. That's what it says. So, one teaspoonful of laughter. I don't remember what the other ones say. I'm curious now. 1 teaspoon. Oh, the tablespoon says a heap of love, and the 1/2 teaspoon says a dash of kindness. Okay. So that's the vanilla. So we got the sugar, the eggs, the oil, and the vanilla. So let's beat that up. Okay, as that is blending, we're going to put 2 cups of 2 cups of the flour. Cups of flour. We're going to put in our baking powder, our salt, cinnamon, and baking soda. So, that looks good. So, our baking powder, 1¼ teaspoons. So 1. And 1/4. Okay, of the baking powder. Salt. Oh, I thought I had taken out my salt. I can't see. I'm even wearing my glasses and I can't see. Okay, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. 1 teaspoon of the cinnamon. Cinnamon powder. You know what? I'm gonna put 1.5 teaspoons because I love cinnamon. Okay, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay. So we got our flour, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, and baking soda. So let's whisk that up. Beautiful. All mixed up nicely. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit at a time into the batter. So there's that. Got to get my apples ready. I got to peel and chop up some apples. I'm going to peel and chop up 3 apples. And then I'm going to get my walnuts ready too. I'm going to crush them. That looks really good. Put the rest in. Okay, let me get my apples ready. I'll be right back. Okay, apples are done, ready to go. So, come on over here. Okay, so our apples are ready. Our batter is ready. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fold the apples and the walnuts into the batter. I already got the pan. I sprayed the pan down, so I'm going to use that in the oven. Okay. Out of my hair. Ah, you know what? How about I just pour this right over the apples? I think I should have got my my spatula ready. I can smell that cinnamon. It smells good. So we're just going to fold that together. And before I forget, I need some walnuts. We don't need that much walnuts. One for me. Okay. So that's about a cup of walnuts. Smash that up. Just a bit. Ready. Put that in there. That is going to be a delicious apple cake. Oh yeah. I could already taste it. Oh. Beautiful. Okay. So that's going to go into the oven. Well, I got to put it in my pan first. I'm ahead of myself. I'm already putting it in the oven. Where's my, oh, I guess I could, oh, here it is. Okay. Let's put this in the pan. Pour it in there and then we'll spread it out. Oh, today of all days, I forgot to put my apron on. I love wearing my apron, and I even got a new one that somebody bought for me for Christmas. And I forgot, especially today. Well, actually, you know what? I'm pretty surprised. I didn't get dirty. Okay. Get all that goodness in there. Yeah. Perfect. That's gonna go in the oven for 35 to 45 minutes. Okay, at the 35-minute mark, I'm gonna check it with a toothpick. And if it comes out clear, fine. If not, we're gonna leave it in. My stove, I know I'm gonna need the full 45 minutes. We'll see you then. Let's test. Look at that. Beautiful. Cake is ready. Can't wait to enjoy with a nice cup of coffee.